Okay, everyone, let's start. As I said before, today's lesson is about multiples of unit fractions. Okay, what the meaning of multiples? So, if we have this story problem and we want to write 5 over 6 as the product of a whole number and a unit fraction, how can we write it? Okay, as we all know, the unit fraction means 1 over the denominator. So if I ask about the unit fraction of 5 over 6, the unit fraction of it is 1 over the denominator, which is 6 in this case. So that's the unit fraction. Okay, and when we have a number up here, which is 5, the denominator, it means we're going to multiply 1, or we're going to repeat 1 over 6 5 times by addition, like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we want to convert that into multiplication, how can we multiply it? So the number repeated, or the fraction repeated, is 1 over 6. So we're going to put 1 over 6 as the same. And how many times it repeated? We have 5 times repetition. So you have to multiply by 5. So with another way, multiply the upper part, which is the numerator, which is 5 in this case, by the fraction, which is 1 over 6. That's the meaning of multiples of fraction. Okay, write this, guys, and then I'll explain the next page. Write this first. Yes, Adam? Adam, are you there? Page 455, guys. Hurry up. Okay, let's move to the next page. Okay, skip the next page and we're gonna move to page 457. Okay, everyone, use the picture to complete the equation. Okay, as we all know, 3 over 4, if we want to write it as a sum of unit fraction, so it will be 1 over 4 repeated 3 times by addition, right? Okay, if we want to convert it into multiplication, so how many times 1 over 4 repeated? 3 times. So you have to write 3 multiplied by 1 over 4. It's very simple, right? Okay, I will ask you, so turn on your cam, everyone, and let's ask. Okay, I will ask the one who didn't turning on his cam. Come on, guys. And by the way, I will subtract marks. Okay, what about Faris Salamin?
Okay.
Hi, Faris.
First,
Okay, write
I
the
am fine,
fraction
thank you.
as a product of a whole number and a unit fraction. So, 4 over 5. First of all, what is the unit fraction of this one, 4 over 5?
We will put 4 over 5. No, you mean 1 over 5 4 times.
Excellent. But if we want to write it as
Like
a
that.
product, a product means you have to use multiplication. So we have 4 up here, right? So we're gonna write the number up here first as a whole number, okay? And multiply by what? The unit fraction. The unit fraction or 5, we have the 5 in the denominator, right? So it will be 1
Right.
over 5. So it becomes 4 multiplied by 1 over 5. It's very simple, right, man?
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Faris. I need someone else. What about Ali Khalifa?
What, Mister?
Yes, Ali, number 3. Can you write it as a product of a whole number and a unit fraction?
Mister what?
Can you write 3 over 10 as a product of a whole number and a unit fraction? Okay, it seems like Ali needs help. Okay, Ahmed Shamasi, can you help Ali?
Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
so how can we write it?
Okay. First 3 multiply 1 over 10.
Why 3? Because we have 3 up here,
Yeah.
so you have to start it with the upper part with 3. And
Yeah.
we're gonna
And
write
we'll
the unit fraction of 3 over 10, which is 1 over 10. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you so much, my dear. Great job, man.
You're welcome.
Okay, I need Abdulaziz Al Jandan.
Hi.
Hi, Abdulaziz. Number 4, can you help?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. So 8 over 3. So what we're gonna start here with
8.
8 because we have 8 here. Multiplied by what?
Yeah.
1 over 3.
1 3. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much, Abdulaziz. You're genius. Okay, what about number 5? Number 5, let's read the question first. List the next 4 multiples of the unit fractions. Okay, so 1 over 6, and the next one will be 2 over 6, 3 over 6, 4 over 6, 5 over 6. It's very simple, right? So easy. Okay, Ryan, can you help with number 6?
Yes.
Okay, so let's write the next 4 multiples of 1 over 3. So after 1 over 3, 2 over 3, 3 over 3, 4 over 3, 5 over 3.
5.
Okay, Ryan,
Okay.
number 7.
Me?
Yes, number 7. Let's read the question first. Write the fraction as a product of a whole number and a unit fraction. Yes.
So first we put the 5.
Yes.
And then
It will be 1 over 6 because the denominator here is 6, right, Ryan? Ryan,
we
are you
keep
still
them
with
the same.
me? Do you understand that, man?
Yeah, Hostia.
Okay, thank you so much, Ryan. Okay, the next one, number 9. What about Ali Sihati? Okay, Ali, the next one, number 8.
First, we'll put the
9
9 as
over
a
4.
whole number.
Yeah, excellent, because
The
the
9 we'll
9
put it as
here.
a whole number. Okay, then
Okay.
the 4 we'll put it down and the 1 up.
So it will be 9 multiplied by 1 over 4. Thank you so much, Ali Sahati. Great job, man.
Thank you.
Okay. What about Yusuf? Yusuf, hi.
Hi.
How are you, my dear? Everything is okay?
Yes.
Okay. Number 9. Can you help with it?
Yes.
So we have 3 over 100. So we're gonna write 3 here. And
3 multiply 1 over 100.
why 1 over 100? Why it's not 1 over 6, 1 over 7?
Because it's 100.
Excellent, because we have 100 in the denominator, so you have to use the same denominator here. Okay, thank you so much, Yusuf.
Come.
Okay, the next one. Mahdi. Mahdi, are you
Yes,
there?
I am.
Okay.
Yes.
Let's the next 4 multiples of the unit fraction. 1 over 10. What is the next 4 multiples of 1 over 10?
2 over 10, 3 over 10, 4 over 10,
4 over
5
10.
over 10.
5 over 10. Okay, thank you so much, Mahdi. Great job, my dear. Okay, the next one. I think Faris Muhammad can help. Faris Muhammad, are you there? Faris. 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 Okay, Faris Muhammad just entered now. Faris Muhammad. Okay. What about Adam? Adam, are you there?
Yes.
Adam, are you there? Over.
Yeah.
Okay. So number 11, can you help with it? Let's the next 4 multiples of the unit fractions. Okay, we have here 1 over 8. What is the next 4 multiples of it?
2 out of 8.
After that, 2 over 8, 3 over 8, 4 over 8, 5 over 8. Okay, thank you so much,